everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if settings is not working on your Samsung phone. So the first thing you want to do is just swipe up, locate settings in your app menu, hold down on it, go to the eye. And you could just try force stopping it and seeing if this works. It's going to close it down. Then we can go back to here, go to the eye again if it doesn't work. Scroll on down to storage. Go to where it says clear data and go to delete. See if that works. Now we could also go to the Google Play Store as a second step. Then go to the top right to your profile icon. Go to where it says manage apps and device. Try updating all your apps on here. And then go to check for updates. And we should be good to go here. Now another place you want to check is the Samsung store. So you can just locate, it might be under here. Should say store. Mine is just on the home screen. So not the cached, the Galaxy shop. Should just say store. So here it is. And this is the Samsung store. You want to update all the apps under here too. So go to update. And I got some updated. And this is everything that came pre-installed on your device. So just look in there, make sure there's an update and you download it. Now, if the first two things didn't work, the third thing we want to do is try force restarting our phone. And we wanted to launch this into the safe mode too if this doesn't work. So hold down the power button, the volume down, and just restart it. This will open up the power menu. And you can just force restart your phone, see if that works. Now open up the power menu if that doesn't work. And go to power and hold down on this. And try launching your phone to the safe mode. And safe mode, I don't know, might work in here randomly. And if it works in safe mode, we could always try resetting some settings or factory resetting from there if it still doesn't work in the main menu or our main phone. There is a settings option which allows us to reset some settings without deleting everything, so we could look at that. So your phone is just going to reset like normal. Now if you do need to factory reset your Samsung phone and you're still not able to get into any of the menus, you need a USB cable that's connected to a computer. Sounds very confusing, but you can't get the recovery screen to pop up without it. So make sure you have one of these at hand. Okay, so now I'm in safe mode. So we can just swipe up and we could just try the settings menu under here. So this is going to disable some features. So you're not going to be connected to the internet. So you can just go to settings right here, open this up, and it works for me. So if it works, you could go down to where it says about phone, and then scroll on down under here and go to where it says software update. We could try doing a software update under here, but it's not going to be connected to the internet. So we can go to reset. And we could reset all settings. You probably want to try that out first. The last option is factory data reset and wipe everything off your phone. So let's do that now. If that doesn't work, go to power. Completely power off your phone. Go to power. Now wait for your phone to completely turn off. So do I have to tap one more time? Okay, so it should power off. Now with your phone turned off, just plug in this USB from your computer. Just like this. And maybe give it like 5 seconds for this symbol to pop up on the screen that says it's charging. And then hold down the power button and the volume up. Just hold this down. And after like 10 seconds, if nothing happens, just let go and press them down again. So you're going to wait until the Samsung symbol pops up. Nothing's happening, so let go. Press them down again. And this time it should open up. So just keep doing this. Here it is, Samsung. So I just let go, press them down again. Now it's going to launch into this recovery screen. You can unplug it now, so it's a little bit easier. And then we can zoom in. So here's all the different options. Now the first thing you should probably do is try wiping the cache partition. So you can see this option down here. Press power to select it. If that doesn't work, come back in here and go to factory data reset. And you can wipe everything off your system. And then you're going to have to log back in, but this is going to delete all your pictures and stuff, so you might want to do that. But go ahead and just try that out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.